and gentlemen, and welcome to another vloggy vlog. It's Tuesday afternoon, it's 5:30 p.m. and I am headed to Two Wheel Tuesday at none other than Brooklyn Triumph. It's this local motorcycle store that apparently sells motorcycles named Triumph. If you've ever heard of that brand. I haven't. I only know about real bikes. Look at those cool shoes. Anyway, so I'm gonna go to this Two Wheel Tuesday. I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna hang out with my bros. I got a bunch of friends over there, so it's gonna be nice to link up. It's a little bit of a warm day. It's a bit of a hot day, but look at me. I'm wearing a jacket because I am not a squid. I do not squid. I always wear my gear. I have blood before. I have broken things before, so a little bit of a jacket prevents damage. Either way, I had a long work day. I also had a very salty lunch, so I drank like 8 pounds of water. 8 pounds of water, but I'm gonna drink some more water. I'm like dying, like I'm literally right now thinking about another glass of water. You know what I mean? That's all I want is water. I want water. So I'm gonna go to this thing for literally like an hour. I'm also meeting a couple of friends there. I'm also meeting my buddy Joe from North Carolina. He's here for a month. Hopefully we'll work on some sort of a project together. But yeah, I'm just kind of coasting. It's a beautiful day. Life is good. Everything is somewhat okay. I got a big busy meeting tomorrow, but besides that, we're good. But besides that, we're pretty good. Look at that. We got some got a motorcycle fellow over there in a t-shirt. That's the thing, man. Everybody and their mama doesn't wear gear. Everybody's squids. Everybody's in t-shirts, shorts, freaking trainers. I don't know. I'm trying to force myself to wear gear. I'm trying to literally, like, trust me, today I was like, ooh, I could wear a cool t-shirt and just pull up in a cool t-shirt, brand new, cool, fresh tee. And like nobody gives a fuck. Plus it's only like literally, well, I'm riding 1 mile. But it's also, that's how habits form. And I have a lot of terrible habits. And I don't need more. Yeah, so I'm trying to see all that. Was any of that necessary? Maybe. Maybe not. Probably not. But that's why I wear gear. Shit like that. Shit like that. Alright, so we're literally just going like 5 more blocks down this road, and then that's gonna be it. I'm gonna park right up front. Hopefully there's a spot. I'm already hot. I'm already cranky. Yeah, I just need a water. That's it. Once I have a water in my hand, I'm gonna be all right. Dude, I'm so thirsty. I had a rice, beans with beef stew. And yeah, it was delicious. It was quite good. It's quite alright. Violation left, violation right. Look at this hood. There's a really yummy pizza place right around the corner here. It's called Ace's Pizza. Not cheap, but oh so good. Oh so good. Alright, let's not pull up like an asshole. I always pull up like an asshole making all sorts of noise. I'm gonna pull up super chill, super cool. Super chill and super cool. That's basically my middle name, you know what I mean? And then let's see how this Tool Tuesday is. Motorcycles always hype me up, so that's why I'm like a little too excited. Let's do a U-Haul. Oh no! Wait. Hey, you're not parking like this? You're parking like this?
I'm actually taking it in to get worked on. So.
Oh, okay. Can you push it up a little bit? Because I want to park right here. Thank you, man. Thank you, brother.
That good?
Perfect.
Oh. Honestly, it's here to get worked on. It can't look any worse, to be honest.
Yeah, I tried to peel off my wrap because I wrapped the bike and it peeled off the paint.
Now look like camouflage.
Right.
If I get it for the next time.